Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association kelakot berwer ki Nongpet School. Syaka Jingïalang ke Bansalong, haka Tarik Risaw aracar apusan. Haka puar ke Mswda, haka si National Darbar Hall Mokhar Shillong. Ukurwa bala pa du President Nuba HM Marbanyang, bala kerpa di Principal, ki Headmaster, Headmistress. But it called Jingï School Managing Committee, Jingï School berpair kom ki ad hoc Science Grant SSA berpenya di Shimet niki mission bat kiwe bat barok ki school ki blayo jingbet banishim binta khnang haga Jingïalang.
Nakaliang jongka Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association Central Body haka Executive Committee kapa lalong nilarai bangin khot no yaka General Meeting nakabenta baro ki President ki Secretary ki Principal dan ki Headmaster Headmistress bat ki khot jongka Managing Committee bakiniawan khnang syaka meeting kapanlong haka Tarik Nubnai Oktober haka por Hadweji hakasi National Darbar Hall Mokhar Shillong kajik tu jong kade ke Jingïalang kalong ban yo ya kawai kasur banit lilang na kabenta bangin pa da resolution syaka sarkar kamtam bangin yo ban pesngau bat bande ya keren biang bat education minister bat mai malak men rumpoi badang simti hadien hawai kipor ki baladam nakalian jong kasen ila aya ke memorandum banglayor ban keren bonsen bat minister rakam esangma remeta kano kajik pentemai menteri ngikwa ba ini ya keren ya perlu jibuat piang hadeng kata ni salik tu syau chief minister nakalian jong ka asusan haka juga pon ni penpa ko so benyau nak benta ke jingyai mi surok jong pino hikai nak koi ka por se koi pa kadi ke jingmi jongki ka kata ya ka puli puthi khamtam ik school ki badan duna ki nong hikai ko ma fitip pun ki school LP khamtam ki ad hoc ki tang arut nong hikai kada ki cha pura arut kamat undan nong hikai shu lani tang ubay ru kala kata nambar ba ka school kada nadu primary hadu class 5 kata kadai ka baki penpa wa ka meeting ka pede ba ka jingmi surok jong ki nong hikai na koi ka por se ka wai pat nakaliang jong ka association ngila jupa igi jing tho pa de kran ro sarkar na ka panta pan mai biang ya ka tanat puli puthi kumju pan rekam ya ka uniform system of grant and aids lani kata ka jingyarap grant ka balong yerengkat habaro ki school ki bang tip kum kita ki private aided ki ba penya de ki kenhon ba fair pi ko pengkenbau ba ka jing itu jong sarkar ki school haka di sisa kalong kumju nabar ba kiskol hasiwa bakin kentiu karan na nesya banseng kidi bandon ikna kadi bantungi kino hikai ki belum qualified kumju ru bandon ya ki kamera kelas ya ki weki pat kum ki toilet separate boys and girl playground di anda ke school kila biang kini kin sayo ya ka opening permission ba hadir jo ka opening permission ki school ki bade secondary ki hapan le ka affiliation ba ka ambos kumjur na ka recognition hadir ba kila fulfill ki criteria baro tikani ka kini ki school kide ki ba la pinbit biang kin sayo ya ka candidates.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.